The next off-page SEO action that we will cover in this lecture is generating backlinks, as in getting other websites and preferably more established websites to link back to your website in a context that is relevant. While we've talked a little bit about building backlinks along with guest posting in the earlier lecture, we'll talk about it in greater detail now. Here's an interesting statistic that tells you how important it is for your website to have backlinks. The gap between the number 1 result in Google and the positions 2 to 10 is 3.8x when it comes to backlinks. Interesting, isn't it? Backlinks tell search engines that your content and your website are worth a visit. It tells them that your website is legitimate and reputable. This here is a really good detailed article about the right way to generate plenty of backlinks for your website, and it is worth going through every single word on this post. When it comes to creating backlinks, it is easy to get overwhelmed and not know where to start. And that's when people fall for buying links and all sorts of shady black hat SEO strategies. But this article really shows you how to create backlink worthy content. And while none of these are quick overnight shortcuts to creating backlinks, these are robust ways of generating backlinks that will help your website in the long run. So like I said earlier, do not buy links. Google has enough ways to figure out whether your link is a paid link. Next, use tools to check your backlink profile. Tools like Ubersuggest allow you to check your backlinks for free. You simply navigate to backlinks, put in the website for which you want to check the backlinks, and hit search. So here you get information about all the backlinks that you have. Whether they are follow or no follow, you can filter on it. And you also get the spam score. So if you see a particularly spammy website, meaning a website with a very high spam score, it is worth disavowing it so that you don't get a manual action. To disavow spammy links, there are these 2 articles by Google which explain how to do it in detail. Essentially what you do is you go over here and you can select your property, that means your website, from this drop down, and upload a disavow file that you formatted according to the instructions that are mentioned over here. They have given a lot of examples as well. And I'll show you an example of a text file that I had created for one of my websites. This one right here. You can either select a page to disavow, or if you think the entire domain is shady, you can simply just put one domain over there and disavow all the pages from the entire domain. So with that, we are done with talking about backlinks, and in the next lecture, we'll discuss brand mentions.